On July 9, 1979, 44 years ago today, Voyager 2 made its closest approach to Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Voyager 2 flew less than 350,000 miles, 563,000 kilometers, above the gas giant's cloud tops, hitting a close-up look at the storms that make up the Great Red Spot. On its way out, Voyager 2 studied Jupiter's moon Io for 10 hours, confirming the existence of active volcanoes, and discovered a previously unknown moon, later named Adrastea. Voyager 2 went on to explore Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune before beginning the interstellar journey that it continues to this day. Voyager 2 left the solar system's heliosphere, the protective bubble created by our Sun, in 2018, and is still sending back data from more than 12 billion miles, 20 billion kilometers, away. This image was taken on June 29, 1979, shortly before the spacecraft's closest approach to Jupiter. The swirling orange, red, and white ripples of Jupiter fill this photo, in bands moving diagonally from west-southwest to east-northeast. Some are smooth and nearly monochromatic, while others have intricate, multicolored whirls. A large storm is visible as a reddish oval shortly above the photo's center, with other smaller storms dotting the image.